YouTube flickers when scrolling due to enabled hardware acceleration on the browser, which shifts tasks from the CPU to the GPU for efficiency. This can be resolved by disabling the hardware acceleration setting in the browser. To do this, open the browser settings, search for hardware acceleration, and disable the option. After closing and reopening the browser, check if the flickering persists. If it does, the issue may be with the display settings, specifically the wrong refresh rate and screen resolution. To fix this, open the computer settings, navigate to the display settings, and set the scale and display resolution to the recommended settings. Adjust the refresh rate in the advanced display settings and check if the flickering continues. If the problem persists, outdated drivers and software may be the cause. Updating the drivers and software can resolve the issue. To do this, open the computer settings, go to the Update section, and install the latest software and drivers. Additionally, download the latest GPU drivers from the dedicated app and restart the computer. After taking these steps, the flickering on YouTube should be resolved, providing a smoother viewing experience.